How to check and manage spam on Yahoo Mail. Today we are here with a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your desktop. Then log into your Yahoo Mail account by simply searching on Yahoo Mail in the search address bar and typing down your credentials. Once done, simply tap on the inbox icon available in the top right corner of your screen right next to the accounts. Then you'll be navigated to the inbox page. Now, on the left hand side, simply scroll down and there you will get to see spam option available there. Select spam to view spam emails. To mark an email as not spam, select the message and tap more and choose not spam. You cannot find any spam on my account because it is an anonymous account. To mark an email as not spam, select the message, tap more and choose not spam. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.